Welcome back 40 Piners, and thanks for tuning in. It can be a little confusing understanding all the homebrew slang and terminology, but sit back, I've got you covered. Kit brewing is brewing the simple way. All the brewer has to do is add fermentables, yeast and water. IPA refers to a style of ale called Indian Pale Ale. DME and LME. DME means dried malt extract and LME is liquid malt extract. Corn sugar is simply your brewing sugar, i.e. dextrose. Extract brewing means to brew from bought unhopped malt extract, and the brewer simply adds hops and grains etc. themselves. Wort is the name given to your unfermented brew. AG means all grain. It's a brewing technique where you make your own wort from malted grains etc. and water. Pitch or pitching is simply adding the yeast to your wort or brew. SG means your starting gravity. This will be your first hydrometer reading. OG is basically the same and means original gravity, and FG is your final gravity measurement. Krausen is the froth or head of yeast and proteins at the top of your beer during fermentation. ABV is simply alcohol by volume, the alcoholic strength of your brew. Racking means transferring your wort or brew into another vessel, i.e. with a siphon. Priming is adding fermentables to your homebrew, then bottling or kegging to allow for secondary fermentation. This produces CO2 and carbonates your drink. Dry hopping is adding dry hops to your homebrew to create a hoppy flavour. IBU means International Bitterness Units. It's a measurement of the bitterness in your drink. Generally, the lower the number, the less bitter taste it will have. Cold crushing is the process of reducing the temperature of your brew quickly before bottling, etc., which clears your beer. The yeasts and proteins fall out of suspension to the bottom of your fermenter. Bottle conditioning, put simply, allows your homebrew to carbonate and improve its flavours in your bottle. Chill haze means your beer is cloudy, which is caused by proteins clumping together when cold. Esters are fruity, flowery, spicy flavours and are a byproduct of fermentation. They can be both good or bad for your brew. Thanks for watching, and I hope I cleared up a few of them for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for future videos. Stay safe.